So recently, the China has agreed to cooperate. Recently, the China has agreed to cooperate regarding the origin of coronavirus. As we all know, that still the origin of coronavirus is not clear. So the China's cooperation, है ना, China's cooperation in identifying the source of the coronavirus is vital. Vital means important, significant. The fact that China has agreed, the fact that China has agreed for cooperation in identifying the source of the coronavirus is important. Over 17 months after WHO first reported a cluster of cases, cluster means group. So you can say that 17 months have passed. 17 months ago, WHO reported some cases of pneumonia, and what caused the cases of pneumonia was unclear, है ना. So the source of pneumonia was unclear, pneumonia of unknown cause in Wuhan, China. Still scientists are yet to determine, है ना, scientists are still to decide with certainty how the SARS-CoV-2 virus emerge means how it you can say that how it produced. So we have to make certain that how SARS-CoV-2 originated. Much like other viruses, है ना, SARS-CoV-2 too could have a natural origin. Editorial says that there is a possibility that like other viruses, it is also possible that SARS-CoV-2 has a natural origin or somehow escaped, or at the same time it is also possible that somehow escaped from the coronavirus research lab in Wuhan. It is also possible that this virus leaked from the lab in Wuhan. The epicenter, now we are talking about Wuhan. Wuhan is the epicenter. Epicenter means main center of the COVID-19 outbreak. Outbreak means the rapid spread of something, like a disease when it spreads rapidly, we call it outbreak. So you can say that COVID-19 started spreading wildly from Wuhan. So you can call Wuhan the epicenter of COVID-19. So there are two chances. Maybe it is natural origin, or maybe it leaked from Wuhan lab. With no hard scientific evidence available, we do not have any strong evidence to confirm, that can confirm the lab leak hypothesis. Hypothesis means theory. So you can say that at present many people believe that the coronavirus leaked from Wuhan lab. But for this theory, to support this theory, we do not have strong evidence. There are some scientific leads, there are some scientific progress that support a natural origin, and we have made some progress, and this progress says that it is possible that coronavirus has a natural origin. If it is a zoonotic spillover. What is the meaning of zoonotic? Zoonotic means of a disease. If a disease spreads from animals to humans, we call it zoonotic. Spillover means the effect of an activity, that spreads to the area which is not intended. So spillover means, like I was expecting the effect of this disease will be felt only in this area, but now you can say that, but now we feel that the effect of this disease is here, everywhere. It is called spillover. So spillover means the effect of an activity that have spread further than was intended. So it is called, if it is a zoonotic spillover. So now you understood. Zoonotic spillover means, let us suppose that it was a disease and a zoonotic, it spreaded from animals to human, and spillover means it was not limited to that area, the effect of that disease was not limited to that area. So the virus could have either directly crossed over. So if it is a zoonotic spillover, then there are chances that virus could have either directly crossed over from bats to humans. So it is possible that this coronavirus came from bats to humans, or through an intermediate, or it is also possible that coronavirus first was present in bat, then it came to another animal, and then it came to human, or through an intermediate. Intermediate means who was in between. Intermediate host, है ना, host who provides the shelter, है ना, like if an animal provides shelter to coronavirus, it will be called host. But till date, neither the bat species that hosts the SARS-CoV-2 virus nor the intermediate host has been found. But till date, we have not found the bat, है ना, the bat which hosts coronavirus, or neither we have found intermediate host, है ना, so which carry the coronavirus. China's secrecy, है ना, secrecy means when you keep something secret. China's secrecy and delay in reporting the Wuhan outbreak. So China was initially, China, you can say that China maintained secrecy, or it was a topmost secret of China. China didn't inform immediately to WHO about the cases of coronavirus in reporting Wuhan outbreak, and in finding the natural host or the intermediary. China's secrecy and delay in reporting the Wuhan outbreak and in finding the natural host or the intermediary have further fueled the lab spillover hypothesis. So if China would have reported immediately, Wuhan outbreak, then there was no chance that we may think about the lab spillover theory. So when China maintained secrecy, and China didn't report the cases of coronavirus immediately, so many people believed that it is possible that the coronavirus leaked from Wuhan lab. Finding the host animal can be daunting. Daunting means something that frightens you. Finding the host animal can be daunting. Finding the host animal can be daunting. So you can say that it is not an easy task. It is not an easy task. While the civet cat and dromedary camel, it is a type of cat and it is a type of camel, were quickly identified to be the intermediate hosts of SARS and MERS respectively. So you can say that for SARS, civet cat, and for MERS, it is dromedary camel, they behave like an intermediate host. Intermediate host means they are in between, you can say that they are the link respectively. It took years to identify the horseshoe bat that harbors SARS virus strain. Okay, we identified that the SARS, the intermediate source of SARS is civet cat. But what is the actual source? So actual source was horseshoe bat, a type of bat that harbors. That harbors means that provide. That means it means horseshoe bat provides conditions which are suitable for SARS virus strain, for SARS virus. So you can say that the SARS was originally harboring. The SARS virus was originally harboring in horseshoe bat. From horseshoe bat it went to SARS, and then from horseshoe bat it went to civet cat, and after civet cat it went to human. To date, up to if we talk to date means till date, a complete Ebola virus has never been isolated from an animal source. So you can say that Ebola virus, the source of Ebola virus is also animal, and it has not been isolated. Isolate means to make something separate. So Ebola virus is still connected with animal. If the virus had been bioengineered, what is the meaning of bioengineer? Bioengineer means you can say that to produce something new using biological applications, like we can produce some new crops, है ना, some new vegetables, है ना. So bioengineering means the application of biological techniques, है ना, to create the modified versions of something. So if some people say that no, the virus had been bioengineered, so that this virus was, you can say that, biologically modified, है ना, in Wuhan lab. The genome sequence, है ना, genome sequence means the sequence of its gene would carry telltale sign. What is the meaning of telltale sign? Telltale means to reveal something unintentionally. Editorial says that if the coronavirus is bioengineered, है ना, if the coronavirus is bioengineered, है ना, then by the help of genome sequence, है ना, we can, by the help of genome sequence, we could know whether this is the possibility or not, है ना. So would carry telltale sign, है ना. तो telltale means to reveal something, है ना, to indicate something, है ना. So if we decide the genome sequence of virus, we can easily identify whether it is bioengineered or not. But scientists have not found any signature of genetic manipulation. Manipulation means to control something. Manipulation means to change something, है ना. So there was no genetic change has been made, है ना. So scientists have found that there is no sign of genetic manipulation. So you can say that it is in its original states, है ना. It was not bioengineered. While a particular site, furin cleavage, on the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein, है ना. So there is a type of protein, spike protein, on SARS-CoV-2, है ना, and this spike protein allows the virus to infect the cells, has been cited as evidence of bioengineering. So there is a spike protein which is present on SARS-CoV-2, and this protein allows the virus to infect the cells, है ना. So human cells get infected by this spike protein, and some scientists are saying that this is the reason, or you can say that by this spike protein, you can say that it has been cited. Cite means to say, as evidence, है ना, as evidence of bioengineering, है ना. So some scientists are saying that this is the evidence of bioengineering, that on SARS-CoV-2 spike protein is present, and this spike protein allows the virus to infect the cells. The fact is that it is not unique to SARS-CoV-2, but editorial says that this spike protein is not unique, है ना, it is normal. The fact is that it is not unique to SARS-CoV-2. A combination of nucleotides in the furin cleavage site that encode, there are some scientific terms, है ना. So what editorial says? A combination of nucleotides, है ना. Nucleotide means you can say that nucleotide, nucleic acid, है ना, units of nucleic acid, it is called nucleotide, a combination of nucleotide in furin cleavage site that encode. So what is the function of nucleotides? They encode means to change something for a particular amino acid, है ना. So these nucleotides change for particular amino acid, है ना. Another feature that is forwarded as supporting laboratory manipulation, है ना. Another feature, another quality, है ना, that is being prescribed as another supporting laboratory manipulation, है ना. So you can say that this is another evidence that nucleotides encode means to change, है ना, to change something into code, that these nucleotides encode particular, है ना, specific amino acid, है ना. And this is the quality which is and about this quality it is being said that it is work of laboratory, है ना. So editorial says that this is also not true. 2, it is also 2 has been shown to be not unique, है ना. This character is also not unique, है ना. It is also normal. For instance, the nucleotide combination, है ना. I already told you nucleotide is a unit of nucleic acid, है ना. For instance, the nucleotide combination encoding for the amino acid, है ना, is present in other sites of the SARS-CoV-2 virus and in the 2003 SARS virus. Editorial says that if some people or some scientists say that this phenomena, which phenomena, the nucleotide combination, है ना, nucleotide combination, है ना, encoding for the amino acid, है ना. So we have seen the similar thing in SARS virus, है ना, of 2003. So it is also not unique. The possibility of SARS-CoV-2 evolving via cell culture appears bleak. Bleak means something hopefulness, है ना, something for when you are not hopeful about something, है ना, hopelessness. It is called bleak. The possibility of SARS-CoV-2 evolve means to come out via cell culture appears bleak, as scientists have found the virus losing features key to transmission and virulence. Virulence means the danger of spreading of a disease unless cultured using new methods. So editorial says that you cannot say that this theory, some scientists do not believe in the theory of cell culture, है ना. Some scientists say that it is possible that there was some modification in the cell, but this theory also appear untrue. This theory also appear, this theory also appear untrue, as scientists have found the virus losing features key to transmission and virulence unless cultured using new methods, है ना. Unless you apply some new methods, है ना, unless you applied some new methods, है ना. So it is not this feature is, you cannot see this feature. Reports of 3 Wuhan lab researchers falling ill in November 2019. So in November 2019 we saw 3 persons fell ill in Wuhan lab. By itself doesn't prove a lab leak hypothesis, है ना. So editorial says that in November 2019, है ना, this incident happened that in Wuhan lab research 3 researchers fell ill, है ना. It doesn't prove a lab leak hypothesis, है ना. It doesn't support this theory. There is no evidence. Still we do not have any evidence that they were infected with the SARS-CoV-2 virus, है ना. So you can say that in November 2019 3 scientists fell ill and there is no evidence that they were infected with SARS-CoV-2 virus. And even if they were, an editor says that let us believe that these 3 scientists were infected with SARS-CoV-2 virus, then it is necessary to prove that it happened from inside the lab. So we need to prove that they infected inside the lab, है ना. So there is still no evidence. In the absence of conclusive evidence, so still we do not have any strong evidence, है ना, to support either hypothesis so far. So far means till now, either hypothesis, है ना. So there are so many theories are being given, but still we do not have any sound proof for any theory. A thorough investigation means a complete investigation is needed. A complete investigation should be done. While the inquiry by the US intelligence might provide clues, there are chances the inquiry is being made by US intelligence, है ना, into the coronavirus conspiracy or coronavirus matter. A scientific investigation is more likely means possibly, to help reach closure. Closure means if we want to close this complete case, like the coronavirus case, we want to close this case, then editorial says that we need a scientific investigation. For now China's cooperation है ना, China is ready to cooperate, therefore becomes vital. So it is very important है ना. So editorial says that scientific investigation is very much needed in this matter, and China is ready to cooperate. So it is very important. And politicizing the virus origin. Politicize, what is the meaning of politicize? Politicize means to take undue advantage है ना, to take undue advantage via politics है ना. Like you can say that है ना, about coronavirus है ना, you can blame China for your own political profits. So editorial said that it is not a good practice to politicize है ना. So politicizing the virus origin is not going to help है ना. It will not help if we politicize this issue है ना. China is ready, so we should wait for scientific investigation.